up? What's up? What's up? What's up? How are you all? भाई मैंने गोल्ड में सॉरी यूरो में लॉन्ग ले रखा है यहाँ से बॉटम से. आई wasn't able to call out. मेरे को यहाँ पे भी शॉर्ट करना था बट I just missed it. Now we'll see how prices react to this demand. But yeah, waiting for more people to join in. Euro में I'm expecting a push up higher and eventually it's gonna take out this high because this range was not perfectly tested. So I'm thinking that it's gonna push up higher. Overall looks sort of bullish only. So this high is supposed to be taken out and this green line is supposed to be tested is what I am expecting. So I've entered long just right here. It was a risky setup, so I haven't called it out. But yeah, I have personally entered because I did have some conviction in it. So let's see how things builds up, and eventually if there's anything I'll plan of scaling up. But one more thing, like I'm not really okay. Yeah, but I'm not really very sure about what I lost. I'm not sure about if it's gonna give entry or no. Let's see. The volatility and the momentum look solid. और ये plan में था कि we will just enter longs. It's moving. Let's see. The size is supposed to go, and here on daily time frame maybe it will retrace. We just we just liquidated above this and looks like sellers are trying to dominate. So as per that, this range low can be taken out. So this range low is actually this line over here that can be taken out. So if that gets taken out, then our entire bias will change and then we'll expect this low to be taken out. But if this demand holds, we will look for longs depending on how prices builds up here. We will plan to execute longs. बाकी देखते हैं how prices builds up. How many people have joined? मैं ही check करता हूँ. We do have 8 people. Okay. वही 2-3 सेकंड का लेटेंसी है. Oh, good. I'm not really expecting much though. Like almost it's the end of the day. So we'll see. End of the week, I would say, not day. I'm sorry. आज मेरे को वैसे मन भी नहीं है, पता नहीं क्यों. लाइक आई वाज लाइक आज जस्ट चिल करेंगे. मतलब मैंने पोजीशन बना ली है, ठीक है. इफ यू कैन सी मैंने पोजीशन बना ली है. इफ यू कैन सी सम ब्लूज, तो आई जस्ट चिल. अगर कुछ मिलता है जैसे कल हुआ, कल भी हमारा चिल का ही मूड था, बट कुछ मिल गया तो ऐसे इररेसिस्टिबल वाली चीज़ हो जाती है तो फिर ले लेंगे. ठीक है. Yeah, let's fucking go. ओ पैंचो, मैं बोलने वाला था कि वो मैं ये एडजस्ट करते करते रह गया. आई वॉज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस एग्रेशन. गाइज एंटर, लाइक इफ देर इज अनदर डिप यहाँ पे एंट्री ले लेना. बी एग्रेसिव विथ योर एंट्रीज. 10 पिप के आसपास, 7.5 पिप के आसपास स्टॉप लॉस है. योर टारगेट टू द अपसाइड इज क्वाइट बिग. नीचे आ सकता है, जस्ट बी केयरफुल. 1:2. ओके, एंटर लॉन्ग्स. लाइक स्टॉप लॉस थोड़ा सा बढ़ा दिया है अपन ने, जस्ट टू प्ले इट सेफ. ओके, थोड़ा नीचे आएगा तो मजा आ जाएगा. But we have entered, okay? We have entered in these longs. 10 पिप के आसपास ही स्टॉप लॉस कंसिडर कर लो, ठीक है? Okay. We have entered longs. TP is 1:4. I am not sure कि ये TP हिट होगा या नहीं. Because we are trading almost the end of the week, right? So I'm not sure if it's gonna hit today, but eventually it will. Eventually it will move in our direction. So just give your stop loss. Maybe you need to hold throughout the weekend. That is also quite a possible scenario. भाई पता नहीं क्यों मैं यहाँ पे एसएल, मैं यहाँ पे मैसेज नहीं टाइप कर पा रहा. इफ एनीवन कैन जस्ट टाइप, दैट वुड बी ग्रेट. और मैंने लॉगिन नहीं किया, पता नहीं ये क्या सीन है, बट क्या. ओ एक्चुअली आई कैन जस्ट डू इट फ्रॉम ब्राउज़र. पहले एसएल डाल देता हूँ मैं. कॉपी प्राइस. मेरी स्ट्रीम कहाँ पे है? निशांत ऑन शॉट्स. This is SL and TP is 7790. 7790. Copy. This is TP. सी अपना ये US 100 भी react कर रहा है of the demand area that we have marked. Let's see how this moves, and if we get a structural shift from here, we'll plan longs. If not, we'll continue to look for shorts. ठीक है. Techie on. VPN. You don't really need to be fearful even if it retraces, because I am seeing a tendency of it might possibly retrace. So just don't panic and allow it to do its own thing. If you have managed your risk, everything is fine. You don't really need to panic unnecessarily. Because if you are in this trade, you have already accepted the probability of it going south. So there is no need for you to panic unnecessarily. Just continue to hold. I'm seeing conviction. I'm seeing this low as a protected one. That's the reason I was so convinced and entered directly off this area. And I'm targeting these highs over here. The first liquidity level is this. So that is supposed to be taken out. You might see some hurdle from this area. Some resistance, and maybe prices will end something within this, and next day, which is on Monday, that's when you will see the true intentions. My prices can just fuck around for I don't know how long, but yeah, it's quite possible. It's quite possible price can end up doing that, right? But the intentions remains the same. We are bullish and we are expecting it to pump up higher. I'm long gold from 3864. Okay, good. Yeah, man, you can hold. You can target the all-time high levels. You can target. But if it retrace, there's always a tendency. Price will never go in one direction. There is a tendency of it retracing, so you can just take some partials. Once it retrace, add more here. If it retrace, like there's no assurity that it will 101% retrace. But if it retrace, you enter. You add more and allow it to run. And if you're fine with losing whatever you're seeing, just hold your entire position till this high. Just continue to hold. Because I'm seeing potential, it will possibly push up higher. So continue to hold. Three eight six one. 3861.3. Yeah, it's a fair deal, bro. Like it's good. That's good. Continue to hold your euro trade, boys. It will retrace max to max till what area. It might liquidate this low, come something within this, and then fly. So don't really panic even if it takes out this low. Yeah, it's quite possible. And I'm risking not like crazy amount because it's almost the end. So don't really want to risk much. Uh let's see how this thing move. Sure bro, no worries. वैसे तो करता ही हूँ मैं सारी sessions. And back then I was in Pune and I was like occupied with some different thing. अभी तो I'm back trading only. तभी भी I was trading, but I was like trading with a room full of people, so I wasn't able to do those live streams. Shit. Okay, now I'm audible. We have more 25 minutes, 20, roughly around 23, 22 minutes uh, for the session to start, the trading session, which is your New York trading session. So let's see. As I said, even if this low go, I will not panic because I know that there is some area here that should be unmitigated. Yes, something within this, something within maybe this entire range itself. So let's see. Continue to hold your trade. We are getting a good reaction of this area. So we don't need it. Okay. Hmm. Mm-hmm. 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 Tala. Tesla. टेस्ला भाई, टेस्ला 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 मैंने देखा ही नहीं यार। तो नहीं यार। अरे हाँ, देखा था मैंने ये टेस्ला। गिरे कहाँ जा रहा है भाई? इट्स स्मॉल मूव। अभी ओपनिंग पे ही डिपेंड करता है भाई, बट मैं तो हूँ बुलिश टेस्ला में। इट हैज़ retraced almost the discounted area, not almost, actually it has retraced to a 6 and 8 level. uh, this is more lucrative and more like attractive level, but the current area is also not good, so I will not be executing right here because see what I'm seeing is there is a fair chance कि ये range से एक fall आ सकता है टेस्ला में, because this is the unmitigated range. This entire range was actually tested. Fuck. Wait. Actually, a range test to here, but I'm not really seeing a deep mitigation of it. So I'm considering this as a unmitigated range. Even in 15 minutes, if you see, this range low was never tested. If I just make some adjustments, yeah, this range low was not tested. So I'm seeing this as a liquidity, and if price happens to reach within that, you might notice a fall. And in fact, यहाँ से ही मुझे selling देखने मिला. I will continue to look for shots for the price to reach within this demand. This demand is what I am looking forward to enter longs from. तो यहाँ से मैं शॉर्ट करूँगा और यहाँ से लॉन्ग्स के प्लान करूँगा। अभी यार NQ में है ना, आई विल सी हाउ प्राइजेस रिएक्शन गुड है, लेकिन यहाँ से स्ट्रक्चरल शिफ्ट नहीं आ रहा है ना, सो इट्स ऑफ नो यूज टू मी. Even if like it push up high like this and then push down lower, there's no point. I'll not be looking for shots. Instead, I will be continuing to look for shots. So it totally depends on how it builds up. So yeah. And also, as I said, like you don't really need to panic. It has just swept the liquidity. We'll see how prices react of this demand area, and उसके बाद plan करेंगे. Cold hat show बस भागे जा रहा है. Nice. जो दिख रहा था वो सब निकल लिया. Still in blue. Still in blue. Net is slightly blue because of I entered here as well. So net is slightly blue. This was a timely exit, man. This was a timely exit. वैसे it looks dull. No, it's what is that song? ये मनी हाइस्ट में. नो नो नो, मनी हाइस्ट का बेला चाओ समथिंग लाइक दैट. Exactly. गोल्ड मैन, गोल्ड पड़े जा रहा है, बस पड़े जा रहा है. और यूरो भैंचो हिल नहीं रहा. अच्छा, ये नहीं पता था भाई. आंडू यूरो हैंड का लौड़ा यूरो. आला. या श्योर. नीचे ही जाएगा लग रहा है ये. Like it has a, like it's just struggling to go up higher. It is meant to go down lower. Maybe max to max यहाँ से ऐसे बाइंग करके यहाँ से नीचे गिर जाएगा. Maybe from this supply area. You see, it will mostly do something like that only. I don't really, and in fact like यही से गिर सकता है. So I'm bearish on this. Bearish. Selling looks good. What dollar index is doing? Yeah, dollar index is also fucking around like that. So ये नीचे गिरेगा तब ये ऊपर जाएगा. Gold is getting ready to blast and take out the all-time high levels. I'm still holding my trade on euro. Let's see how it builds up. Although it looks good, but aggression towards buying, aggression towards selling. That is what putting me thoda skepticalness. But I am holding. And in fact, like अगर किसी को थोड़ा average करना होगा price तो losing trade पे कौन. But see, I'm holding conviction. I do have decent conviction in this, so you can think of averaging your pricing by adding some more quantities here and keeping this as is. मतलब आपके risk appetite के हिसाब से ही, if you are risking 0.5% in first one, add another 0.5% right here and make this 1% risk. And be very aggressive with your stops for the second position. कोई नहीं भाई, जाएगा ये. होल्ड करे रखो, क्योंकि मैं भी होल्ड कर रहा हूँ भाई. साथ में पैसे कमाएंगे, साथ में पैसे कमाएंगे भाई. आई एम होल्डिंग दिस. एसएल ब्रो, एसएल टाइप किया है. ऊपर थोड़ा सा चैट में स्क्रॉल करोगे तो दिख जाएगा. बट ऐसे वैल्यू वाइज 7287, 7287, 7287. और जिस किसी ने एवरेज किया होगा भाई 100 दे में रहोगे. आई मीन फायदे का सौदे में रहोगे, फायदे के सौदे में। आई लुक स्वेलन। आओ, मैं इतना मोटा क्यों लग रहा हूँ? अभी कितने सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं? लाइक करो स्ट्रीम को सालो। लाइक करो भाई, लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, जिन जिन लोगों ने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया सब्सक्राइब करो भाइयों। ओ 198। बात है भाई, 200 टच करने वाला है तुम्हारा भाई। भाई यही याद रहेंगे, 10,000 जब होंगे, फिर 100,000 जब होंगे, भाई तुम्हारे हाथों में है भाई। जल्दी जल्दी अपने, नहीं मम्मी पापा के फोन से मत करना, डेड डेड सब्सक्राइबर नहीं चाहिए भाई, मतलब जो इंटरेक्ट ही ना करे। बिल्कुल भाई। कुछ दिन में 1,98,000, बहन चो अपने पास जो स्किल है ना उससे तो मिलियन तक पहुंच जाने चाहिए अपन। मोर 15 मिनट का वेट रहेगा भाइयों और उनकी बहनों। और जैसा मैंने बोला था, प्राइजेस वैसे ही मूव है। साला जब तुम्हें ये करने के लिए बोला, काश मैं भी थोड़ी पोजीशन बढ़ा लेता सेकंड अकाउंट पे। हाँ इट्स फाइन, यू नो, इफ यू डोंट फील लाइक डूइंग इट, you don't do it, right? If the trade for longs, all time high get taken out and फिर next week होगा, हाँ exactly। मुझे यही समझ नहीं आता। हाँ भाई, ये तुम्हें पता है बिकॉज तुम साथ में ट्रेड करते हो ना, हर किसी को थोड़ी ना पता होगा। गोल्ड भाई फटे जा रहा है, फटने दो। हाँ, नॉट एवरी वन इज एक्टिव वैसे तो भाई, ग्रुप में 900 लोग हैं लेकिन 900 लोग आते नहीं है ना। आई मीन 13 पीपल आर वाचिंग अस। Been fucking making money every fucking day, every fucking session. Book 15. Okay. वैसे from the time you have started your account, how much it is up by? परसेंट वाइज या फिर डॉलर वैल्यू वाइज कितना अकाउंट ऊपर है भाई? मतलब सीख रहे तो हो ही, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ कमा भी रहे हो ना, क्या सीन है? बताओ मुझे। Continue to hold, boys. और मैं जब था तभी कितना अप गया था? तो frank including all passing phases 800 और सही है भाई. तुम अभी फंडेड पे पॉजिटिव हो, नेगेटिव हो, क्या हो? पे आउट लिया नहीं लिया? मेरे को लग रहा है यहाँ से एक नीचे डिप आ सकता है, तो यू डोंट रियली नीड टू पैनिक अबाउट इट. ट्रेल योर स्टॉप लॉस बिलो दिस लो, आई वुड से. नहीं नहीं, यही रहने दो. द हेक, यहाँ था, यही रहने दो. Mm, 5 minutes for US Open. To just continue to hold. What, already a washing machine by trusting you? डेफिनेटली भाई, 100%. अरे समझ गए भाई, हो जाएगा भाई, हो जाएगा. नैया पार कर देंगे हम तुम्हारी. बस बने रहो, लगे रहो, यही स्लोगन है, और क्या. और यही है भाई. लाइक इफ यू आर इन द गेम, द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ यू विनिंग इज देयर. इफ यू आर आउट, देन यू आर नॉट इवन ट्राइंग. भगवान बोलेगा क्यों ही दूं तुझे मैं. राइट. इफ यू आर पुटिंग योर सेल्फ आउट देयर, स्ट्रगलिंग, हाथ पैर मार रहे हो, चांसेस तो है, कुछ तो बनेगा, कभी ना कभी तो बनेगा. शो अप मैन, शो अप. हाय हाय रे हाय. तुमने बनाया है या अपना ये हमको. ए व्हाट्सअप सूरज भाई, सुटला का. By the way, Suraj is my college buddy, one of my closest and best friends. He's also a trader. I influenced him to come to trading. सूरज के साथ ही मैं जा रहा हूँ कल मूवी देखने, मैंने बोला था ना आपको. सूरज एंड वन ऑफ आवर फ्रेंड्स, we three are going together. द फर्स्ट लॉस वो भी निशांत का ही सिग्नल था, है ना. भाई साथ में मचाएंगे भाई सूरज. US markets are opening in another 30 seconds. I'm seeing and expecting some selling to come. I'm not sure if it's gonna sell or if it's gonna buy. But if you have a look, oh, यहाँ पे already window है. I don't really need to pull this. So if you see here, हम reaction supply से react कर रहे हैं, लेकिन I am expecting कि ये थोड़ा सा ऊपर आए, यहाँ से शायद एक fall या कुछ भी, we'll see wherever the sweep happens. Overall, I am bullish for now, but depending on how prices move and how structure moves, अभी फिलहाल के लिए अगर 3 मिनट का स्ट्रक्चर ब्रेक यहाँ और यहाँ मिलता है तो बाइंग में जाऊंगा मैं. अगर सप्लाई होल्ड करता है सेलिंग तो आई विल जस्ट लुक फॉर सेल्स. ओके, 7 PM ओपन हैपेंस. यूरो अपने फेवर में ही है. विल जस्ट प्लेस अ अलर्ट एंड सी हाउ इट मूव्स. Actually ये recording affect करेगा. I can just cut a reel out of it, so I'll not switch. I will give you a commentary what's happening on NQ. NQ is holding quite bullish and the aggression we can see. As of now, there is no signs of okay we are entering and we are good to enter longs yet, because now it's selling because we got a long wick above. It's trying to sell. We'll see how it builds up. अभी फिलहाल के लिए हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते इसमें. विल जस्ट वेट. एंड यूरो PLTR, what's that alert about? I'm not sure. Let's see if this holds, and if this fails, it's fine. We are getting a solid reaction from NQ for buying. Tesla is also holding well. So let's see. Structural shift. अभी जिस एरिया से रिएक्शन आ रहा है NQ में सेलिंग के लिए, if this holds selling, We are buying, man. We are buying. Like once this high goes, once we get our order flow build up, we will look for longs. I am still holding my EU longs. As it's a decent trade. I would eventually trail my stop loss. If the current high goes, I will trail my stop loss below this low here. Okay. So let's just see how it goes. NQ is thoda bahut messy for now. We'll just wait patiently and see how things builds up and how it formulates, how it reacts. उसके बाद ही हम कुछ decision लेंगे. Like if you have to enter shorts, if you have to enter longs, depending on that. No gut feeling wala game. Let's just see. As this UU trade is running, it's looking quite slow and terrible, honestly. Gold instead. Oh, fish. Okay. Gold we can possibly look for longs. But it would be great if it just reads within this area. If you see, I believe I have placed alert here. Yeah, this area looks good. But this opening swept liquidity mitigated this demand. It can push up higher from here itself. It's quite possible. If we start seeing some bearish reaction off here, we will continue to for some reason I'm seeing sellers can possibly dominate in this. Euro trade is. I'm thinking of taking some positions off at around as it is at break even, but we just screw it, like, because I think we have conviction of this gold. Maybe it will just drag up higher. It's fine. Continue to hold your just trade. This looks like it's gonna push down. Looks like वैसे conviction तो नहीं है अभी, because it's reacting off a demand area. Once it start following a bearish order flow, and if it does that after a bearish order flow, we will be having enough liquidity for it for us to target shots. अभी फिलहाल के लिए कुछ नहीं. Easy. Just take some positions off of your euro shots. was longs, I mean. Don't really look that convincing now. Prices are quite messy. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. It's looking good. If we get some more order flow build-up, we will be looking for longs. Okay? Because the reaction from this area looks good. If we get another failure of the high, we would be good enough for us to enter in longs. Tesla looks quite aggressive and bearish. So there's a fair chance we can actually see without price reaching this area, price can actually take out this. We'll wait and we'll see. Euro trade positions are running. Not really a significant one because prices are just messing around. So also trail your stop loss below this low. Euro का first TP around 7584 7584 के आसपास. यहाँ से लॉन्ग बहन चो 100 पे पैसे ही दे दिया. माँ खींचे. We'll wait for another half an hour or so for it to settle and do something nice. कितना रोना करेगा भाई एक ही रेंज में. मेरे हिसाब से ये जब बंद करेगा ये रोना और पटेगा ना. Gonna be good. I wanted it to blow ऊपर बट पता नहीं है कहाँ फटेगा. टेस्ला तो नीचे की तरफ फट रहा है. और टेस्ला और नास्डैक का कोई रिलेशन लाइक है ही नहीं बोल सकते हैं. जो टेस्ला करता है उसका अपोजिट यूएस 100 करता है कभी कभी. एंड अभी फिलहाल इट्स इन अ वेरी टाइट रेंज सो कांट रियली से. ओह फिश. लुक एट दिस. सेलिंग. Okay, now it's throwing real convictions. Okay, of it pushing down lower. Now I will be planning for shots here. Give me an entry pitch. Retrace. Let's see. If it reads something within the premium, we'll plan shots. This is going well. So sorted in one. Let's see. Yeah, Euro is pushing up high. It's bouncing off from this demand area now. Slightly confusing सा है. Selling वाले signs भी दे रहा है, buying वाले signs भी दे रहा है. Overall, if you see in daily time frame में, immediate order flow is holding. भी भाई continue to look for forex only. Forex ही सही है. Price action and everything. Okay, it's looking good for longs, okay? हाँ, Indian markets are like वैसे तो exhausting. Trade करना it's a task. If you're option seller chances है, लेकिन buying के लिए हाँ ऑलमोस्ट तो सब वही है. Hmm. हाँ भाई. If Tesla shows the signs of bearishness, no, I might short Tesla. Hey, that's great. Congratulations to everyone. On pitch fly. Problem is this pitch is reacting from offer supply. Hey, thank you, bye. अच्छा. भाई झूठी अफवाह मत फैला भाई. मेरे को मैंने भी नहीं देखा, मेरा दोस्त ने बोला इसलिए. ओ वी हैव लाइक 2 सब्सक्राइबर लेफ्ट आई बिलीव. नहीं नहीं, 200 नहीं हुए भाई, 200 नहीं हुए. झूठ बोला भाई उसने अपन को. धोखा. What? क्या हो रखा है भाई यूरो में? ओ बेंच. भाई मैं ये एसएल तक होल्ड कर रहा हूँ भाई. एसएल तक होल्ड कर रहा हूँ मैं. हेलो हेलो. अच्छा. सूजल भाई. कैसे हो भाई? Looks like a fucking piece of shit, man. The prices, in fact, like दोनों में like it just like howling around. How many subscribers we are at? Yeah, 200 pass, bro. 200 pass. Yay, सही है भाई. Congratulations, we are up. Like 200 people have joined us. Solid. 203 सब्सक्राइबर्स है अपने भाई. 203. 200 लोग कैसे दिखेंगे साथ में? क्रेजी राइट. 203 सब्सक्राइबर्स है. हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल भाई. मुंबई के निखिल टाइप्स करेंगे. Bro, it's on a fucking tight ass range. ना यहाँ जा रहा है ना वहाँ जा रहा है. कहीं पे भी नहीं जा रहा. हाँ हाँ इनफैक्ट लाइक करेंगे भाई. तुम सब पैसे कमाओ. पैसे कमाओ फिर प्लान करेंगे. Triple Q and Nasdaq look quite aggressive. 5 स्टार में क्या है भाई? 5 स्टार में नहीं, बाहर चलेंगे घूमने. I'm continuing to hold this longs in वही जो यूरो. और यहाँ से अगर मुझे बेरिश इंटेंशंस देखने मिलते हैं मार्केट से, जो कि मुझे अभी देखने मिल रहा है, इफ इट टेक्स आउट. नहीं भाई, नवरात्रि का आधे से ज़्यादा टाइम तो पुणे में था और 2-3 दिन यहाँ था तो कोई दोस्त था नहीं तो नहीं गया. हेलो हेलो भाई, व्हाट्सअप. कहाँ हो भाई तुम? टेक्निकल घूमने मीन्स क्या? मतलब वही तुम लड़कियां देखोगे, लड़कियां ताड़ोगे और क्या. दैट्स गरबा फॉर यू गाइस. Yeah, I got this trade, but this looks नेगेटिव नेगेटिव. अभी मुझे शॉर्ट का लग रहा है कि शॉर्ट बन सकता है यहाँ से. तो इफ वी हैव अ फकिंग लुक एट टेस्ला, टेस्ला लुक्स quite aggressive towards bearishness, and Tesla may I'm expecting this low and this low to be taken out, so there's decent amount of room, but it's just that it's not really reacting from a discount premium area. So Tesla में shorts और NQ में भी shorts I am expecting. I'm seeing shorts in NQ now. थोड़ा सा प्रीमियम में आए और तो मैं शॉर्ट कर लूँगा. इनफैक्ट मेरे को लग रहा है ये यही से भागेगा, ये ज़्यादा नहीं जाएगा ऊपर, यही से भाग जाएगा ये लग रहा है। क्या ही ट्रेड करेंगे भाई, वेट ही करना पड़ेगा। Now I would like to see this inefficiency getting filled, or at least try just testing this range low before me looking for short entries, or like the liquidation of this high, come something within this, and then look for shots or continue to look for shots. Tesla is fucking aggressive for sells, really great. But वही है कि टेस्ला में भी आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग थोड़ा सा यहाँ आ जाए फिर शॉर्ट करते, नहीं आया, नहीं किया। I'd really like to see something within this. फोमो में एंटर नहीं करना है, और एंट्री कर भी दोगे तो स्टॉप लॉस बड़ा पड़ेगा, है ना? तो to dodge that, we need to wait patiently for the right setup and right opportunity. But it is not supposed to hold us. It's not supposed, there's a weak low that is supposed to be taken out. टेस्ला में शॉर्ट्स बन सकते हैं। हाँ, एज पर दिस टेस्ला में आइडियली यहीं पे शॉर्ट ले लेना चाहिए था। आई मिस्ड इट, बट अभी लग रहा है कि थोड़ा ऊपर आने देता हूँ। नो व्हाट इट्स, पुश, यू आर सपोज टू टेक आउट द स्लो। हाँ भाई, मैंने तो एंट्री करके 100 ही बुक कर पाया मैं। ओ वेट, 100 नहीं है। आई वुड हैव फकिंग $6 नीचे है। I entered roughly around this, keeping this as a stop loss. Booked my major positions here. Just one as to negative risk reward because I was heavily positioned. Uh, तो मैंने वैसे ही यहाँ पे जब तुम्हें बताया काफ़ी कम पोजीशन बुक करी थी एंड नाउ आई बुक समथिंग मोर सो टेक्निकली बुक लाइक 400 roughly something. I'm seeing more room to the downside, so I'm not really taking anything off now. But it's such a easy market, man. It's like, nice. Yeah, Euro pushing in our direction. That's a good news. But पता नहीं क्यों यार, somehow I'm just like finding US markets very interesting because it's fun, man. Like especially trading on this terminal, it gives a different feeling. और जैसे मैंने बोला ये लो निकल जाएगा अब एंड प्राइजेस विल बी कमिंग विद इन दिस एरिया. ये होगा. आई मीन लाइक आई हैव नेवर लाइक ट्रेडेड शेयर्स और उसमें भी यूएस शेयर्स तो नहीं. सो एंड दिस टर्मिनल इज can't really explain, bro. Like there's something different. Like the feeling that this gives, like ऐसे फट कुछ होते रहता है. So this is a different terminal. I've never worked on such complicated sort of terminal. For the most part, we have worked on what sophisticated terminals, right? या एग्जैक्टली तुम वैसे कंसिडर कर सकते हो कि हाँ भाई ऐसे कुछ रॉकेट साइंस माफिक कुछ कर रहे हो तुम. हाँ, मेकिंग मोर मनी ऑन अ डिफरेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ मार्केट. तो let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. How many of you are holding euro trade? जैसे मैंने बोला था कंटिन्यू टू होल्ड भाई, काम आया. I'm booking some major positions off right now on this particular one. Tesla also, I'm thinking of booking some major positions off. And so triple Q I have not traded, but if it retraces back, I'm willing to enter shots. Switch. No, bro. Fuck no, bad shot. I wish I would have not exited my position. Crazy fall. Can you imagine $5? $5, एक single. Huge, man. सही है भाई, सही है. I hope you have booked your major positions off. Uh, I'm planning to book rest of the positions in Tesla as well. Holding full positions by. That's great. Fuck, bench. क्या भागा है भाई टेस्ला. Shit, that's so fucking insane. I'm happy. I'm happy with my trade. I've booked my major positions in Tesla as well. सही है, सही है. हाँ भाई, क्रेजी. अब भाई अगर ये US 100 रिट्रेस करता है तो US 100 में शॉर्ट्स करेंगे. Because I am not seeing this low to hold now. टेस्ला भी अगर मुझे दे दे भाई ऑफिस एंट्री, फक ऑर्गेस्मिक भाई. टेस्ला क्या सही मूव किया है भाई. मोटा पैसा बना. आप आपके ब्रोकर में ही स्टॉक्स भी ट्रेड कर सकते हो. टेस्ला टीपी डन. भाई भाई अगर ये ऊपर आता है थोड़ा तो अपन वापस शॉट्स के लिए. हाँ भाई, क्रेजी. भाई ये यूएस मार्केट है ना, कुछ बहुत क्रेजी चीज है भाई. स्पेशली टेस्ला. लाइक टेस्ला इज, वही बात है, टेस्ला इज लाइक अ ड्रग ब्रो. Like you will like it, but it will give you quick money. It will also take quick money from you. So you need to be very safe, very cautious about your position sizing, risk management, and everything. If you fuck even a bit, you're gone, bro. Imagine 100 क्वांटिटी के साथ तुम ले रहे हो भाई, बस $3 का मूव, $300 लॉस. हाँ. And right now my daily risk on this account is like just $200. So I divide usually it with 100. लेकिन उसमें मैनेज करना काफ़ी डिफिकल्ट हो रहा है. So I'm thinking of increasing my limit to $500 per day. So in that I can easily make like 1500 के आसपास. I'm thinking of executing a long position from here. Let's just see. अभी फिलहाल अगर मैं एंट्री करता हूँ तो रिस्क वुड बी लाइक ओके, दिस इज अ डिसेंट एरिया दो। टेस्ला 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 टेस्ला। I'm not sure about Tesla, bro. Like, instead, I would actually bet on triple Q shots. Of course, it has mitigated and reacting of a area. टेस्ला में लॉन्ग लेते $3 का रिस्क है, मिनिमम टारगेट क्या रख सकते हैं? This it's quite achievable and possible. Something is holding me back from not really trading any Tesla anymore. If I just go overboard, no, I have experienced this. Like Tesla take all of it. जितना दिया है वो भी लेगा और मेरे बैलेंस से भी ले लेगा. But this is very lucrative. Okay, fine. If it retraces back again, I will just execute, okay? In fact, like we could have executed here as well. US 100 is sort of bearish. So I'm not really sure how well these both trades gonna go hand in hand. But दोनों का जैसे मैंने बोला ना, correlation is sort of fuck up. Yeah, I mean, like I am looking to enter longs in Tesla. I have anticipated here, but I sort of missed it. I was not able to execute on right time. So right now, this hurts. This hurts. I was waiting for this area, bro. And bencho ja execution ka time I hesitated. Okay, I will just wait for it to come back. If it push down lower, we'll just plan. Bro, imagine 100 quantities, immediately $300 in. Entering from here till this $300 trade done. So easy, right? Just 100 quantities. मैंने मेजर पोजीशन निकाल दिया भाई यूरो में. तो मतलब देखो ये ऊपर जाएगा और ये जो लिक्विडिटी लेवल है वो निकालेगा. सो ओवरनाइट या फिर अभी इमीडिएट होगा कि नहीं, आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट हाँ ये जाएगा ऊपर. This was a bad move by my end, Moro. Extremely bad move. I think this is the last area of defense where Tesla can possibly hold. And if Tesla continue to fail and take out this and this low, then we are seeing some major retracement in US indices. Like we can actually see prices pushing down lower and filling this inefficiency that prices have left. But before that, I'm expecting at least the all-time high can be taken out, and we are reacting from much discounted area. So it's like a best chance to take a swing sort of trade from here, swing setup from here. But the range that we are trading at, it's actually difficult. And there are some days just like this where you regret your actions. When you have planned it, some days you just fuck up, which is a part of a game. You end up doing mistakes, and that's fine. I'll be trying my bet here around this area, because if sellers gonna hold, then it will just give us a sign already. We do have some range here as well, which we can just focus on, including this inefficiency. There's some liquidity levels. We can just see it has tested the sort of a demand area, which we would like to see getting swept. Maybe some fake move to the upward direction and then a drop. And we'll see how prices react within this area. If I start seeing some conviction in the upward direction, I'll be planning longs. If not that, we are seeing possibly price pushing down lower. See, as I said, it's gonna push up and drop. It's dropping. I'm willing to see a drop here within the demand area. It is reacting from a selling area, bro. US 100 is reacting from a selling area. Almost there. I'll be taking a bet on a very small quantity, and as I get conviction, I'll be adding more to it. Tesla within our area, but I have not really entered yet. I'm just looking at. Let's wait for a structural realignment in 15 seconds. As we do have the provision, why not to take a benefit of it and put it to our use, right? Just be ready to execute if at all you want to execute in Tesla. And be ready to execute in US 100 for sells. I know it's counter, but just wait. We have not entered in this. Looks like US 100 might potentially have a bearish day. Sellers are more dominating. I have entered short right now at this area, and my stop loss is something within this. So you can expect, like, see, here I have added small quantities, and I will be adding more if it just push up higher something within this premium area. But I'm just like trying to take a bet on shots and see how it goes. And if I turned out to be wrong, I like markets can prove me wrong with just a small loss. I will not be losing much. So I have entered shots, but let's see, बिकॉज लग रहा है कि थोड़ा ऊपर आने के चांसेस है इसके. तो मतलब प्रीमियम एरिया से शॉर्ट नहीं कर रहा हूँ. अगर वोलेटिलिटी और मोमेंटम है तो इट माइट जस्ट लाइक ड्रॉप लाइक दिस ओनली. सो दैट्स द रीजन आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग अ बेट फ्रॉम दैट एंगल. ठीक है. और प्रीमियम में आके मुझे रिएक्शन देता है तो मैं वहाँ से कुछ सोचूंगा. लेकिन ऑल्सो आई एम माइंडफुल कि ये डिमांड भी हो सकता है. तो ओवरऑल मेरे को लग रहा है बेरिश, लाइक signs of bearishness looks good. It's reacting off a demand area, I know this, which is this wick. So this would be my bet. Let's see how it goes. Now it has tested the supply properly. Let's see how this reacts from this supply. And this would be the last trade for the week. If it hits, still profit. If it takes a loss, still profit. Net to profit ही अपना. Major positions निकाल लिए थे ना. हाँ, major position निकाल लिए थे. It does make sense for it to retrace. So I'm just continuing to hold my bet. चांसेस है कि थोड़ा ये ऊपर आए, मे बी यहाँ पे समथिंग विद इन द प्रीमियम एरिया, बट I'll see then what is supposed to be done. But for now, I'm just holding my trade, and it's a very small position. I'm unbothered about it. I can just leave this as it is, and even if it just open position and if it goes till this, still I won't really bother. It's that not extremely small, but हाँ इतना कि भाई फर्क ही ना पड़े. So I'm holding this. Let's see. I'm seeing potential. So let's see. If it goes, it goes. If it fails, it fails. Hi mate, what's up? See how it reacts from here. If we get a break to the downward direction, then it's going down, or else though it's gonna be a difficult scenario. बिकॉज ये डिमांड से भी रिएक्ट कर रहा है, सेलिंग भी होना चाह रही है, तो ऐसे तो मेसी मेसी सा है सब कुछ. Oh, gold almost tested this demand. That's solid. Mostly gold can continue to push up higher after the liquidity and from here. अच्छा 130 पिप का रिस्क में सभी लेने का मन नहीं है. They're already pretty much good for the week. देखो बाइंग वाले रिएक्शन में वीकनेस तो है. वी आर नॉट सीइंग स्ट्रेंथ. There's more room to the downside for the prices to move in Tesla. Let's see if it just happens to reach within this line. We'll plan something for like another shots or something like that. Some retracement, some healthy breather. Let's see how prices reacts further and how price action happens. Depending on that, we will just plan to execute any position. अगर यहाँ से बायर्स होल्ड करता है The range high has been tested. I mean the range low has been tested. सप्लाई से रिएक्शन आ रहा है, ये जो आ रहा है, it's a 1 hour structure low. Like this buy to sell price action का structure low test हुआ है. Let's see how prices move from here, and if it is capable to take out these liquidity levels from here if sellers are aggressive. Give me a minute. I am in a position. Uh, Trying to see if I can just get possible nice opportunities. Push down, bitch. Push, push, push. Yes, 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 yes. I just entered short here, just a quick scalp, and I booked here. I could have holded, but नहीं, मेरा हो गया भाई. मेरी ये वाली पोजीशन अभी भी चल रही है. टेस्ला इज डिफरेंट. आई टोल्ड यू ना, टेस्ला भाई जब तुम 100-200 क्वांटिटी के साथ एंटर करते हो, हवा टाइट होती है. आई कुड हैव होल्ड इट टिल दिस. नहीं भाई, टेस्ला इज सम नेक्स्ट लेवल शिट. मेरे को टेस्ला में है ना उतना ये बनना है कि ये देखो, मैं ये कर सकता हूँ कि 30-40 क्वांटिटीज लेके ये यहाँ पे एंट्री लेके ये स्टॉप लॉस लेके यहाँ तक होल्ड कर सकता हूँ. दैट इज लाइक इजी. बट उसमें द रिवॉर्ड गोज डाउन drastically. So I'm just like trying to scalp out, entering from here and exiting here. Just trying to scalp out. And जो मेरा TP था, it got hit. इसलिए I have already laid out my levels. वैसे if you have not entered in US 100, you can definitely plan to enter in that. Okay. जो triple Q था, if you can see, I am in this. I have not really exited my position. I am in this, and if you want to add more guys, you can enter shots in triple Q, or US 100 for you, or NAS 100, or US Tech, or whatever. You can enter shots. Okay, just manage your risk. That's the goal. Zero 637 37 0. Plus placed. This is moving, boys. This is moving. Tesla is love. But Tesla, so many good trades, man. I imagine if I holded this full quantity na, yahi wale trade mein, I would have been done for the day with 100 quantities. Nahin, with 200 quantities, I would have. Yeah, $1,400. It's a pretty decent deal for a day, especially when you're starting out. Not starting out. I have started out five, close to 6 years. So, but like this is new, right? US equity. US equity is new for me. Risk management is the thing, bro. I need to just check like how I can improvise with risk management in Tesla. Yeah, NAS shorts. I am in shorts. Let's see how it turns out to be. I am in shorts roughly around this area. I have added, in fact, and like keeping the stop loss around this. And you can keep this as your target. You can definitely look and enter for shorts in NAS and keep this as your target. If this hits, I'm just closing it today, bro. I have made decent. US 100 turns out to be. Hi auntie, कैसे हो आप? Bro, my SL is like 140, 25,140. This should be a decent level of SL. Okay. I am exiting midway. I have exited my positions in this, and I will be calling it a day right now. Pretty much done. This looks like a bad bet that maybe I have taken, because maybe the structure has to hold bullish. This is messy because I don't really see more sauce left. But you can continue to hold to whatever SL level I said, because I have to leave somewhere. That's the reason I have just exited my position, because it was not on my phone, but it was on this PC setup. This basically on this particular, क्या कहूँ, ये टर्मिनल, अजीब सा जो टर्मिनल है उस पे था. So that's the reason I have exited, because I won't be able to monitor it. And yeah, that was about it. I'll be seeing you all very soon. This is my trading style, bro. I don't really assess scalp. You can say it's sort of scalping, but it's not really scalping. So won't be able to say. You just need to check with them. But if you are in this, continue to hold. I just have to leave somewhere, so that's the reason I exited my position. But yeah, you can continue to hold. Okay, so that was about it for the day, and I will be looking forward to see you all on Monday. Till then, bye bye, take care, and have a great weekend ahead. See you guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.